In the first question, it says find the distance between the following pair of points. So three pair of points are given: 2, 3, 4, 1, minus 5, 7 and minus 1, 3, a, b and minus a, minus b. So we have to find the distance between all these pair of points. To find the distance, we have to use the distance formula. Here is the distance formula. It is square root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is square root difference of x coordinates whole square plus difference of y coordinates whole square. So let's try it. For the first part, the points are 2, 3 and 4, 1. So let's say distance is d. So it can be calculated using the distance formula. So x2 minus x1 whole square, that is, what are x1, x2, y1, y2? We know that coordinates are written in this form, x, y. So this becomes x1 and x2 is 4, y1 is 3, y2 is 1. So x2 minus x1, that is 4 minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1, that is 1 minus 3 whole square. Now we have to simplify. 4 minus 2 is 2, 2 square plus 1 minus 3 is minus 2 whole square. 2 square is 4 and minus 2 square is also 4. So we get square root 8, or it can be simplified to 2 square root 2 units. So this is the distance between the two points given in the first part. Now let's do the second part. Coordinates are minus 5, 7 and minus 1, 3. So distance using the distance formula, x2 minus x1. So here x1 is minus 5, x2 is minus 1, y1 is 7 and y2 is 3. So x2 minus x1 means minus 1 minus minus 5 whole square plus 3 minus 7 whole square. So we get square root minus 1 plus 5 whole square plus 3 minus 7 is minus 4 whole square. Minus 1 plus 5 is 4 and 4 square is 16. Also minus 4 square is 16. So we get square root of 32, which can be simplified to 4 square root 2 units. Units we have to put at the end because no units are given here, but we cannot leave the distance because distance might have some units. So we just write units at the end whenever the units are not given. So 4 square root 2 units is the answer for the second part. Let's do the third part now. A, b and minus a, minus b. So distance formula, x1 is a, x2 is minus a, y1 is b, y2 is minus b. So x2 minus x1, that is minus a whole square plus y2 minus y1, that is minus b whole square. So we get a minus a is minus 2a. So minus 2a whole square plus minus 2b whole square. So we get minus 2 square is 4 and a square. Similarly 4b square. 4 we can take out as common. So it will be 4 under root a square plus b square. We know that square root of 4 is 2. So 2 under root a square plus b square units is the distance between the 2 points given in the third part. So for third part, answer is 2 square root a square plus b square units. It says find the distance between the points 0, 0 and 36, 15, then can you now find the distance between the two towns A and B discussed in section 7.2. So before we do this second part, let's find the distance between 0, 0 and 36, 15. So to do that, we have to use the distance formula again. So here is the distance formula: x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, that is square root of difference of x coordinates whole square plus difference of y coordinates whole square. So the two coordinates are, the 2 points are 0, 0 and 36, 15. So what are x1, x2 and y1, y2? So x1 is 0, y1 is 0, x2 is 36, y2 is 15. Now let's apply this to the formula. So the distance will be x2 minus x1, that is 36 minus 0 whole square plus 15 minus 0 whole square. So this comes out to be under root 36 square plus 15 square. We know that 36 square is 1296 plus 15 square is 225. When we add this, this comes out to be 1521, 1521, and whose square root is 39. So the distance between the 2 points 0, 0 and 36, 15 is 39 units. So this is the answer for the first question or first part, you can say. 39 units is the distance between 2 points, 2 given points. Now they are saying, can you now find the distance between the two towns A and B discussed in section 7.2. So what is section 7.2? They have given that there are two towns, town A and town B. So a town B is located 36 kilometers east and 15 kilometers north of the town A. So this is town A at this point and this is town B at this point. We have to find the distance between these two towns. So you can see it is 36 kilometers east and 15 kilometers north. So this point becomes this x value, that is 36, comma y value, that is 15. So 36, 15, and at A the coordinates are 0, 0. So this is nothing but the distance between 0, 0 and 36, 15, which we have already calculated, that is 39 units. It means the distance between the two towns A and B is also 39 units, but here units are given, that is kilometers, so it means it is 39 kilometers. So the distance between the two towns A and B is 39 kilometers. Determine if the points 1, 5, 2, 3 and -2, -11 are collinear. That is, we have to check if these three given points are collinear or not. So for that, first of all, let me explain what is meant by collinear. So let's say we have a line. Collinear means all the 3 points should lie on this line. That is, let's say this is point A, that is 1, 5. Let's take it as point A. Then there is a point B. Take it as 2, 3. Then there is a point C. Take it as -2, -11. So collinear means all the points should lie on the same line. That is, they should lie on a straight line. To check that, what we can see, if they are on a straight line, then we can take any of the points in any order A, B, C. So we have taken in this, it means AB, this distance AB plus this distance BC should be equal to total distance AC. Only then they can be collinear. because if they are not collinear, then that distance will not be equal. So this only we will do. We will check if the distance of AB and BC is equal to AC or not. For that we will use the distance formula. So let's check it. First we will find the distance AB. Square root x2 minus x1 whole square. So while finding AB, x1 x2 will be, x1 will be 1, y1 will be 5, x2 will be 2 and y2 will be 3. So x2 minus x1, that is 2 minus 1 whole square, plus y2 minus y1, that is 3 minus 5 whole square. Now 2 minus 1 is 1 square, plus 3 minus 5 is minus 2 square. We will get 1 plus minus 2 square is 4, that is square root 5 units. Now let's find BC. While finding BC, let's see what are x1, x2 and y1, y2. So now B will become x1, y1. So this is x1, this is y1, this will be x2, this will be y2. So x2 minus x1, that is minus 2 whole square, plus minus 11 minus 3 whole square. This comes out to be minus 4 whole square plus minus 14 whole square. So we get 4 square is 16 plus 14 square is 196. So we get square root 212 units. So this is BC. Let's find AC now. While finding AC, what are x1 and x2, x2 and y1, y2? So this time this will be x1, y1, and this will be x2, y2. So that x2 minus x1, minus 2 minus 1 whole square plus minus 11 minus 5 whole square. So we will get square root of minus 3 whole square plus minus 16 whole square. So we will get 9 plus 256, which is equal to square root of 265 units. Now as you can see, AC is the greatest one, so let's check if we are getting sum of any two equal to third one. So square root 5 plus square root 212 will not give square root 265. Square root 5 plus square root 265 will not give the third one, that is square root 212. It means sum of any two distances is not equal to the third distance. It means we can write it like this, that AB plus AC is not equal to BC, or AB plus BC is not equal to AC, also neither of them are equal, that is AB is not equal to BC is not equal to AC. It means they are not collinear. So answer should be no, not collinear. So final answer is that they are not collinear.